channel. So today I have a Stitch Fix box, and just so you know, fair warning, I filmed this box and my trend send on the same day to just try to get it done with. My Stitch Fix came yesterday, Saturday, and it is Sunday. So that said, let's get right into this. Those that are not familiar with Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. You fill out a style profile, and the first time you fill out a style profile, you will be paired with the stylist, and once your stylist has styled you, I'm not sure if everyone gets it, but I know I get a style preview first, and I get to pick 5 items out of like 10 items to be sent to me. You can pick all 5, you can pick none of them and they'll start again. You can pick a couple and they'll add new items in. But once that you figure that preview out and you're done with that, the stylist will then send you your fix, and when you get sent your first fix, you pay a style fee of $20, pardon me. And that $20 gets applied to anything in your fix. But if you've never done this before and you use my link in the comments, you can get that fee waived, and you also get $50 to shop your first fix. Me, just so you know, I've used all of the credits that are allotted to me. I think it's like 600 a year. I've gotten those. I've maxed out, so I will not be getting any more credits. But I will get a credit probably in the next few weeks for my style pass, which is $49 a year. So that said, I also still have a couple of dollars in credits left, and I'll get to that later. So thank you to all that did use my link, because I was able to buy a couple of items, and still I'm going to probably finish this credit out with this fix. But the first thing you need to know is I get styled, and mine come from, I believe, the Dallas warehouse, where there's a little bit more luxe items available in my fixes. I get a mix of both. I'm already wearing my first outfit, and we'll get to that shortly. But this fix came through FedEx, and any returns, I have a priority mailer envelope, and they go back in this envelope. But my paperwork is in this white envelope. So I'm going to put my glasses on, and we're going to get right to it. And right on top it says, "Oh, hello." And I open that card up, and this has all the items in the fix, and also my stylist's note and how to style the items. So let's read the note. This is from Jaryn, who's been my stylist for a while. She says, "Hi Janine, welcome to today's fix. You've got great taste. I was excited that you had time to jump into your fix preview and that you were able to find 5 pieces that caught your eye. What made these stand out for you? I would love to know. Take some time to try everything on. If you have any feedback on any of the items, don't hesitate to share your thoughts with me when you check out. The more information you can send my way regarding fit, style, etc., the closer we'll get to finding you even more pieces you look and feel confident in. I'm looking forward to your thoughts and can't wait to jump in with you for your next fix. In the meantime, let me know if there's anything else I can keep an eye out for. XO Jaryn." So that's right, I did pick out 5 of the items that were in my preview. I chose all 5 items from the preview, and actually I thought everything that was picked that I chose might work for me. So that said, if that's the case, I might be in trouble even with the credit, but we'll see. The next item that's in the fix in the envelope, it says, "Thanks for letting us style you." And this is the receipt and everything that's in there with pricing. I'm not going to go through that just yet, but this is fix number 68. So that's where we're at. By the way, just so you know, I have $127.59 left as far as a credit. So we're going to get right to the first outfit try on and be right back with that. So just so you know, I am wearing the first outfit and I'm going to get right into the items. And you should have seen before this the items on the card with all the information. But in case you didn't, on top I am wearing by VIGOSS the Kassel cropped Pointelle cardigan, and on the bottom I'm wearing from Cut From The Cloth the Margot utility short. The cardigan is in a size small, color white, and it's mixed colors, so pretty. And the shorts are in the color blue, size 4. Let me get closer so you can drop my glasses. So let's get to the colors now. Really, really pretty colors. So just so you can see, it's like cream, hot pink, cream, blue, like a tan color, cream, greens, blues are in here, like you name it. It's really pretty. And it's I don't know if you can see, but it's really a loose weave sweater. So underneath I just have like a little cami in like a taupe color. Let me pull away so you can see. It has buttons going down the front. And the shorts, I put them with the blue shorts by Cut From The Cloth. I think these fit really nice. They're a size 4. They have a ton of stretch in them. Pockets, the cargo style pockets in the front, pocket in the back, and it's got a snap the pocket. Yep, and it's a regular working pocket. So, I don't know. So far, happy with this outfit. Think, you know, it's a possibility. But I have 3 more items from this fix, and I'm gonna switch. I have a dress, and I have shoes and a pair of pants. So we're gonna come back and get moving into the next item. Okay, I'm back, and I have a dress on, and I really, really like this dress. It's really pretty. This is by the General Good, which I've never heard of this brand, but this is a really, really pretty and cute and well-fitting dress, I feel. This is the Irina Faux wrap high-low dress, and it is in the size blue, color small. So, I have an event to go to in June. It's a little further east from my house, and like it's an anniversary party, but it's a restaurant that's on the water, like in that area out east, beachy kind of restaurant. And I'm looking for an outfit to wear, and I kind of bought something, but I think this might actually rival what I bought. So I don't know, you'll have to let me know, and I'm gonna look back at the footage. But it's a size small. It fits really well in the waist area, and even I like how it, like for the hips, like I think it's a good fit, but you'll have to let me know. It is not a traditional wrap, so you can see like there's nothing here because it's not a traditional wrap, but it has this pretty like swing, like ruffle material, but it will not open because it's not your traditional wrap. If I turn around, it has like a little tie in the back. Let me see how far I can get back so you can see the lean. I literally have it paired with my Birkenstock braided sandals, but I think it's really cute. Like I could wear a heel with this too, but I think I could get away with that. I don't know. I'm really liking the fit of this dress. I'm going to pan down so you can just see the length a little bit better, so hang on. Okay. Want you to see that length better and how I have it paired with the shoes that I have. I think for like a beachy type, I think it's a very casual look, but I don't know, I don't think it's a bad look. And I really have so many shoes, but I'm really kind of liking these. And I think I use these for my Trendsend today as well, but I don't know, I think I could pull, it could go well, and I could pull that off, but I don't know. It's a cute dress. Does it have, yes, it does have a layer underneath as well. But I don't know. It's a contender. Let's put it that way. But I have shoes and I have a pair of pants left. So we're going to come back with that. Okay, I'm back, and ignore the top. This I got at the Loft recently. This was a Loft purchase, but I paired it with the 2 items that were left in this fix. The bottoms are by PAIGE, and they're the Christy cargo pant. They're in the color pink, size 4, and PAIGE is a pricey premium denim. Just keep that in mind when if you saw the price beforehand. And also I'm wearing by Dolce Vita the Pablos leather heel. And I'll show you those. I'll take them off and show you closer in a moment. But these are in the color beige, size 6.5, which is my shoe size. So before I pan down to show you the whole outfit, I'm going to show you the Dolce Vita slide. And trying to get this so that it comes in. There we go. So it has like the it's not a real high heel, but it's maybe about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And it's in this like the cork style. And then you can see the color. It's that like taupey beige, Dolce Vita, and just a regular rubber sole. So I don't know, they're cute. When I pan down, you'll see them with the pants. So let me put the shoe back on. Okay, and I'm gonna pull away, but I will pan down so you can see these pants even more. But I just wanna show you with the blouse quickly, the color, and then we'll get more, we'll pan down better. But these are really nice. So they have the, like a regular pocket, but then they also have a cargo style pocket. And I'm also working pockets in the back. Like the color. The color is really spring, summer, like pastel, fun color. Let me pan down so you can So, I don't know, I like PAIGE. I really do. I have a couple of pairs of jeans from PAIGE. But like I said, these fun cargo pockets on both sides. You can see them with the Dolce Vita shoes. It's a cute outfit. Like I said, very, very spring forward. Even possibly for a cooler summer night, the color. So, I don't know. Let me pan up. Okay, very, very quick wrap up. You have seen everything. I am still wearing the pink pants and the shoes. I didn't take them off at this point. So I kind of need some help here because, again, and I'm going to get the paperwork and we're going to discuss some of the pricing now. I do have some credits left, and this was a really good fix. The 5 items, I think they worked pretty nicely for me. I don't really have any complaints, and I'm going to go back and look at the footage and see my thoughts as well. But I know I was talking to one of my friends this morning on YouTube, Carolyn from Carolyn and her clothes, and I said, you're going to need to help me when I get to this fix. So Carolyn, again, some help please. I need it from everyone that's watching, but especially Carolyn, because I really know she's usually spot on. But for all 5 items, this is a pricey fix, but again, keep in mind, I was not so concerned because I do have these credits, and I figured, I was hopeful that maybe 1 or 2 pieces could work, but it's nice to see that I think all 5 actually worked. Will I pull for all 5? That's my thought process that I have to go through at this point. But the stylist pick subtotal is $5.50. I still have, before I even get to that, the buy all discount. So if you buy everything from your Stitch Fix, if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% off discount. That is $137.50 off. Order subtotal now would be $412.50. I still have $127.59 promo or credit. So my new order total would be $284.91, which for a dress, pair of shorts, pair of pants, you know, like denim cargo style pants, and the cardigan as well. For all those 5 items is not a bad subtotal, but I'm not sure. Like I said, the dress would be worn, if I was going to wear it, it would be to one event. So if I'm only going to wear it once, you know, I'm like, I don't know, but yeah. The original price of that is $64, but again, I'm getting $137.50 off for the buy all discount. So maybe that could be justifiable for that. But the cargo pants, I could see myself, they're cute. I don't know how many times I wear them, but I really like the color, and everyone knows I'm a pink girl. So yeah, if I didn't have a credit and the buy all discount, no, I don't know if I'd spend that for, you know, a pair of pants at this point. I'm not sure. It's like, yeah, I do like PAIGE, and I've paid in the past, but I don't know. The shorts I could definitely see myself wearing quite a bit in the warmer weather. The Dolce Vita, the heel, I did read some reviews online, and people were saying the first time they wore them, they did get some blistering at the top portion by the toe. So I'd have to be real careful when wearing these, and I think I'd have to wear them in if I was going to wear them. Like, I couldn't just wear them once and expect not to maybe get an issue there, and I could feel it. They're a little, you know, they're a little rough in that area, so that's a issue that I could see maybe, you know, with those. The cardigan is really cute. Would I get enough wear out of that? I don't know. Like I said, definitely the shorts. The shorts, I think if I were to keep anything out of this fix, I could see myself keeping those shorts. But again, let me know your thoughts. I would really appreciate it. That said, I just want to thank all my returning subscribers for continually coming back and supporting my channel, and for your friendship. If you are not a subscriber, hit that button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up, because that helps me bring more of the content you see here your way. And now I just want to say, have a magical day, and bye.